Hello guys, today we're going to be doing another PicoCTF challenge, and the challenge we're going to be doing today is going to be called heap 3, which is this program mishandles memory, can you exploit the flag? And it's a binary exploitation challenge, and the only hit we get is check use after free. So if we look at what use after free is, which I have right here, it's basically UAF. It's a type of security vulnerability that occurs when a program attempts to use a memory address after it has been freed. This can lead to a variety of problems, including crashes, security exploits, and data corruption. Essentially, it's like trying to use a cup that's already been thrown away. You're trying to interact with something that no longer exists. So, if we look closely, because I already downloaded the source code and the binary file, if we look closely at the source code, we see we have the free memory option. And with the free memory option, it basically frees up the memory. It frees up the X value, which is free memory. It says free X, and for X is an object that's holding this struct right here, all these pieces, which is flag. And you check flag, and if you check right away, once you start up this challenge, it basically initializes X to be set to Pico. But what we want to be able to do is to solve this challenge for the win condition, we want to set win as Pico. So what we're gonna do is basically free up X so that it doesn't equal Pico no more. And then what we're gonna do later is basically allocate to the object, which is allocate object option 2. And with allocate object, we're gonna allocate it the size of the current object. And then what we're gonna do is basically insert overwrite the data so that we could get to flag. So 10 10 10 5, so basically up to 35 is basically what we're gonna do, and the last 4 bytes is basically gonna be a flag. So let's get started. So what we want to be able to do is first run this locally, see if we can do this locally inside our local machine. So what we're gonna do is do ls chmod plus x chow, and then we're gonna run chow. And then once we run chow, we want to be able to first free up the memory and then print out the heap. And it's 5 free the memory. Oh wait, double free. Oh, okay, chow. So free it, print out the heap. Okay, looks like that one worked, but I'm assuming it already freed out. So now we want to allocate it. Size of the allocation object, which is 35. And then we want to add 34, not 34, like, because it's Pico. 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3 4, so it's probably gonna be like what, 8 times 30. Eight times 30, and then Pico, and then enter, and then print heap Pico. You see how it's set now as Pico. So now if we do for check for win, we get the flag, which is hello, which is locally. So now if we try this payload onto our own on the online server that it provides, we just copy this right here and just copy our payload and see, enter, and then enter your choice. First we want to free the memory, and then after that we want to allocate to it, and then we want to allocate 35, and then we're just going to enter our payload right here, enter, and then we want to be able to check the win condition. Oh wait, it's supposed to be 4, so we freed it out. Then we have to do allocate again, 35, and then we have to put the data again. And then we press 4 for checking the win condition, and we get it right here. PicoCTF, now that's free real estate. So we just copy this, and then we insert it inside here, and we solve this challenge. And we do. So yeah, that's about it for this challenge. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.